I welcome you all again on the second lecture of mathematics. Today we were on the fifth question. Now today we are going to deal with the sixth question. Moving on the sixth question of exercise 1.2. It says like that a taxi driver started his trip from the taxi stand towards the south. He covered 75 kilometers in this direction to reach town A. From there, he travelled back on the same road and covered 90 kilometers to reach another town B. So it means he reached at town B. Okay. Now from this figure, you can easily see that A and B, they are in the same line. Now the first question, how far is he from the stand? See, from the figure you can say that from the stand he went to the A. Now moving on the same direction he went to the B. Now in this one you can say that from stand he is somewhere above the point. It means what is the gap between them? Definitely we can say that in this direction he went with the 75 kilometer and in the reverse direction he went in the 90 kilometer. So the difference between them represent the distance from the point to B. So that represent 15. If the distance towards the south is denoted by a positive number, then how will you represent the distance traveled towards the north? See, over here south represent the positive. So we know that north and south are opposite of each other. And if south represent the positive, then north represent the opposite of the positive, that is negative. So in the second answer we are having negative. If south represent the positive, then north must represent the negative because both the things are opposite of each other. Now moving on the third question. Find the integer that represent the distance traveled from the taxi stand to town B. Now over here if we will consider the taxi stand as 0. So in the south direction he is moving for 75 km. So the place he will reach, that is 75. Now he is moving towards the north up to 90 km. So we need to subtract the number from 75. Okay, so that will be 75 minus 90. He will reach he reach over there. That place will represent 75 minus 90. That is minus 15. It means the point B will be minus 15. This point A will be 75 and the taxi stand will represent the 0 on the number. Moving with the next question, question number 7. State whether the following statements are true or false. Okay, so given statements are there, we need to just tell whether the relationship or whatever thing is been given, it is true or false. Moving on the first question. The first question says that 23 minus 21 is equal to 23 plus 21. Chalo, to make this one, what we are going to do, first we will try to solve the left hand side, then we will try to solve right hand side. If the given relationship is equal, then we can say that it will be true. If it is not, then it will be false. Moving on the left hand side. In the left hand side we are having 23 minus 21. Now we know that minus 21 represent what? Plus 21 only, because we know that minus gives you plus. In previous standard you have studied that one. So minus gives you plus. So that is definitely 23 plus 21. So these two sides are equal. What if you are not getting this one, then one more method is there. See, for that one we should deal with a number line. First I will draw the number line. Then we are on the 23. Now we need to subtract 21. Actually you are not just supposed to subtract the 21. We are supposed to subtract minus 21. Okay. Now if you are talking about minus 21 and the subtraction sign, then we need to go in the reverse direction. But still there is a negative sign. So we will consider just the positive sign. That will reach at 44. So it means 23 plus 21 represent 44. So the first statement given, it is true. Now moving on the second one. That is 23 plus of minus 21 is less than minus 23 plus 21. In left hand side we are having 23 plus of minus 21. Now plus minus gives you minus. So that is 23 minus 21. 23 minus 21 gives you answer 2. So in the left hand side we are getting answer 2. And if you will talk about right hand side, in right hand side we are having minus 23 plus 21. Now minus 23 plus 21 gives you minus 2. So over here what we are getting? This side you are getting plus 2 and in the right hand side you are getting minus 2. So it means you are having 2 less than minus 2. What do you think? Is this given statement is correct? No, definitely not. So over here our answer is false. So this given statement is false. Moving ahead with the next one, that is minus 5 plus of minus 6 plus of minus 7 is greater than 7 minus 77. First we'll try to solve left hand side. What do we have on the left hand side? That is minus 5 plus of minus 6 plus of minus 7. Now first we are going to add all the three numbers because it's a positive sign. There is addition between them. So that is minus 5 minus 6, that is minus 11. Now you are adding minus 7 to it. So your answer will be minus 18. So in the left hand side we are getting minus 18 as the answer. Now we are moving on the right hand side. In the right hand side we are having 7 minus 77. Your answer is minus 17. So it says that minus 18 is greater than minus 17. Yes, we know that in the negative, whatever the smaller number is that represents the larger number. Okay. Moving ahead with the next one, that is minus 100 plus 99 plus minus 1 is equal to 97 minus 99 plus 4. First, we'll try to solve left hand side. In left hand side, we are having minus 100 plus 99. Now, minus 100 plus 99, your answer is minus 1. Now, again, you will add minus 1 to it, your answer will be minus 2. Now, we are moving on the right hand side. In right hand side, we are having 97 minus 99 plus 4. 97 minus 99, your answer is minus 2. If you add 4 to the minus 2, your answer will be plus 2. So it says this minus 2 is equal to plus 2. So definitely this statement is wrong. So we can say that this is false. Moving ahead with the next one. We are having 56 minus 49 minus 7 less than 56 minus 49 minus of minus 7. As you know earlier, we are going to solve first left hand side. In left hand side we are having 56 minus 49 minus 7. We know that first we need to solve the bracket. So that will be 49 minus 7. 49 minus 7 will be 42. Now we have 56 minus 42. If you subtract 42 from 56, our answer will be 14. So in the left hand side, our answer we are getting as 14. Now we will try to solve the right hand side. That is 56 minus 49 minus of minus 7. Now first we need to solve the bracket. That is 56 minus 49. 56 minus 49 gives you 7. So it left with 7 minus minus 7. So minus minus become plus. So we are having 7 plus 7. So 7 plus 7, 14. So we are getting 14 less than 14, which is false. 14 equals to 14. We know that over here both the sides we are getting same answer, but still it represents lesser or greater. Definitely our answer is wrong. So we can say that given statement is false. Moving on the last one, that is 13 minus 31 greater than 3 minus 13 minus 31. So moving with left hand side. In left hand side we are having 13 minus 31. What could be the answer? Can you tell me? Yes, your answer is correct. 13 minus 31, your answer is minus 18. Now moving ahead with the right hand side. In right hand side we are having 3 minus 13 minus 31. First we'll solve 3 minus 13. 3 minus 13 represent minus 10. Minus 10 minus 31, that is minus 41. So we are having minus 18 greater than minus 41. Yes, our statement is correct, because we know that whatever minus sign is there, whenever minus sign is there, and if a smaller number is there with a minus sign, will be the larger in the negative numbers. So over here the last statement is also correct.